Hello everyone, this is the Eachine X140HV, featuring 1507 2500 kV motors, Dow 3056 props, Foxeer Aero micro camera, an F4 flight controller with an OSD, 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC, VTX supporting smart audio with milliwatts from 25, 100, 200, and 300. This pink line lights up. It also has a buzzer and 2 LEDs. Stuff my receiver right in there, and unfortunately every flight on 6S results in this. Yep. Every flight on 6S, somewhere along the line before the end of the battery, it will desync and freak out. And surprisingly enough, I didn't break it, but look at all this flex. So this carbon is very, very weak. And you guys probably all know this. So what I did, I've had this since, when did it come out? In June. It's now late July. I've been trying to add value to this quad by trying to figure out what the problem is, and I can't do it. I've played with ESC settings. I've done everything I know how to fix something like this outside of replacing parts, and I think that's what this needs, is a new ESC. On 4S, as you can see in the flight footage, it's okay. It flies fine. It doesn't desync. The thrust, the boost that you might get, like when I do that move over the top of the house, is pretty mild. I would say that reminds me a lot of a 2S that's just slightly overweight. But unfortunately, this is a machine that you should probably avoid. Maybe you already know that by now. And I had hoped to be able to bring you a much happier video where I could say, oh, we just need to change these settings. So if you have one of these, this is how you fix that. My understanding is the ESC desync or freak out, whatever you want to call it, is kind of a 50-50 or a coin toss. I know on Banggood's website they said there's no flying problem. Maybe they're meaning a version since I got mine. That could be. I did not update my Betaflight version. It is still running 3.5.5, which it shipped with. I haven't changed that any of the hardware. I just tried to fix it through software settings, and I wasn't able to do that. So off and on over the last month or so, I've been trying to resolve that issue, and now I bring you this video today. So that's all I have to say about that. It comes with various other things. It didn't really go into that. I don't want to waste a lot of your time looking at a machine that's probably been reviewed to death. Hopefully, if you have one, you've got one that's working well and are flying it and enjoying it. I would say that if you break the frame, just look for a different frame. I wouldn't buy this frame again. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in the section down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.